Now that Exchange has installed and we've done a reboot as required, we need to make a couple of configuration changes to the machine. The first thing we need to do is add a couple of DNS records. So we'll start DNS. We'll open up the branches, forward lookup zone, and the name of your domain. And the first thing we'll do is add a new A record to the machine. This will point the name mail, and it automatically adds the domain on, to the IP address of our server, which in my case is 172.16.1.1, and it's created. The second type of record we want to add is a mail exchanger, or an MX record. This time we'll leave the top domain blank, and in here you put in the FQDN of the mail server, or we can browse for the machine we're looking for, but simply put in mail.ken.co.uk. And there we have it. And that's DNS configured for us. We now need to create mailboxes for our existing users. So on your menu you will find the Exchange Server 2010, and inside there the management console. And this will probably take a few minutes to load for the first time. So the management console has now loaded. So we'll go to recipient configuration. So we'll now create users' mailboxes. We'll click on mailbox, and we want to do a new mailbox. It'll be a user's mailbox, and it'll be for our existing users. We want to add them, and we can multiple select users, and OK, followed by next. We don't have to worry about any of the options here. And in a few seconds, we'll click on New, and it will create the mailboxes for us. And again, it's one of these stages where you just have to watch and wait. And there we have it. The mailboxes have been created for the existing users. So we can click on Finish. At the moment, Exchange is configured to use Microsoft format. If you wish to enable POP or IMAP, this is done through the Services option. So if we go into our administrative tools, find our list of services, we scroll down the list till we find a Microsoft Exchange. There's POP, there's IMAP, and at the moment you'll see that the startup type is manual. If you wish to use these services, bring up the properties of the service, change the startup type to automatic with a delayed start, apply it, and if you want to use it instantly, start the service. Remember, you'll need to open the ports in your firewall settings if you have one. So that service will start. and it's now running. Next time the machine's rebooted, because it's on an automatic start, it will load the POP service. We could do the same for IMAP if we require it.